Hi AP students, thanks for logging in for week 2. Wanted to give you some updates about the AP test. I learned this morning that the AP test is going to be held on May 20th, so you actually have more time than you would have, or previously it had been the week before, at 12 o'clock. Obviously you'll be typing. No multiple choice like I've said before, but they did say that the essay prompt will be rhetorical analysis. So statistically the one that is the most difficult, but there is a benefit, and that is that it's the only essay you have to write. So we're not doing synthesis, argument, and of course no multiple choice. So the next 6 weeks then, it's my job to prepare you for writing an incredible rhetorical analysis essay. You do have a time limit of 45 minutes, like I said. And I don't know if I said this earlier, but it's at noon. So 12 o'clock, May 20th, rhetorical analysis essay, one shot, one essay. So for some of you, that's really good news. And for others of you, you're going to have to really put in some effort here in the next couple of weeks to get yourself prepared for that. I really think you guys can all pass it, given that this is the new format. And so I'll do the best I can to help. That being said, I'm looking at week 2 assignments here, the folder. It's not published yet. So if you're looking at this before Monday, then you won't see anything right here. But one thing I would like you to do off topic is thinking about some essays that you wrote before I even came back from my maternity leave with Mr. Barnes. You wrote a rhetorical analysis and an argument essay. And I want you to tell me if you want me to grade those, knowing that they could impact your grade now. And so there's a little video explaining a little bit more about that. And then, of course, the actual assignment to go along with that. So please complete that this week. So being that it's going to be rhetorical analysis on the AP test, we had started a unit on community, me hoping that the argument essay would be the one they chose for the AP test. So now that it's rhetorical analysis, I'm going to kind of shift what we were doing with community. And so the rhetorical analysis essays or experiences that I'll provide for you to practice for that might be more community based, that might go with our essential questions, but don't get too caught up in that community unit now that we know it's going to be rhetorical analysis. So I really appreciated all your discussion posts, and I'll grade those and respond to you because I think it's a worthy conversation to have. And just know that we'll be kind of shifting our focus for that unit now for the next few weeks. So again, the assignments for this week are to watch a video. The video is on a resource through AP Classroom. And it's an AP teacher walking you through how to approach the rhetorical situation, the relationship, if you remember that triangle, between the audience, the speaker, and the subject of a text, and how to just approach that. And we need some refreshing on that. It's a little bit longer video, but it's really good. In the background, it's just a really good review from a ultra professional, somebody who creates questions for the AP test. You know that as soapstone, right? The context of a piece. So how do we walk through, how do we approach that? Again, it's been a while. And then in this folder, I'll attach a PDF version of an essay. And I want you to write an essay this week. You'll have the whole week to do it. It's due on Friday. I do want you to time yourself for 45 minutes. You shouldn't be taking any longer than that because you're not preparing yourself well if you are taking any longer than that. So time yourself on your phone, 45 minutes. The PDF will be the prompt and the text, and then you'll write it in Google Docs and then share it with me. I'll put those instructions in the folder as well. Email me with questions or post in the discussion board for our class. If you have any questions that you think somebody else might have too, that would be great. We'd appreciate it. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Hope you're doing well. Bye.